lung problem?
No, you are a congenital heart defect. Actually, you are 4 defects packed into one.
Is that called a blue spell?
Yes. When the baby cries, feeds, or gets upset, their oxygen drops fast. They turn blue around the lips and fingers.
4? Overachiever! Do I make the baby turn blue?
Close. It's a TET spell. Hypercyanotic episode.
Sounds scary. If I cause a TET spell, do we do CPR?
No, you grab the baby and push their knees forcefully up to their chest.
Wait! Squishing them into a ball helps them breathe?
Exactly. It increases systemic vascular resistance, which forces blood back into the lungs to get oxygenated.
4 defects. Blue baby. Knees to chest. Am I tetralogy of Fallot?
You nailed it!